Dear Jesus, I come to you because I need your help right now. I need your clarity, your protection, and your peace. I need you to cover my mind, my emotions, and the atmosphere around me. I need you to step into the places of my life where I feel drained, overwhelmed, or surrounded by energy that doesn't feel right. Jesus, you know what I'm facing even before I say it. You know the thoughts that weigh me down. You know the heaviness that drops on me out of nowhere. You know the moments when I feel tense without reason, irritated without understanding why, or tired even when I haven't done much. You see the invisible things affecting me. So, Jesus, I ask you to remove every negative energy that has attached itself to me. Energy from stress, pressure, fear, people, conversations, environments, or my own thoughts. Cleanse me from anything that isn't coming from you. Jesus, protect my mind. When negative thoughts try to enter, block them. When fear tries to rise, calm it. When overthinking tries to spiral, stop it before it grows. Help me recognize quickly when a thought is not from you. Help me see the difference between my intuition and unnecessary fear. Help me stop absorbing things that drain me. Jesus, if I am carrying emotions that don't belong to me, take them from me. If I'm carrying someone else's stress, someone else's frustration, someone else's expectations, lift that weight off my shoulders. Help me separate what's mine from what I've picked up. Jesus, if the negative energy is coming from people around me, people who argue, complain, gossip, criticize, manipulate, show jealousy, or project their pain, protect my spirit. Guard my heart from absorbing their chaos. Strengthen my boundaries. Give me the wisdom to step back when needed. Jesus, if negativity has entered through my own patterns, overthinking, doubting myself, expecting the worst, help me break those habits. Reset my internal responses. Heal the places in me where fear has been living. Heal the experiences that taught me to be tense, cautious, or suspicious. If I've been hard on myself, Jesus, soften my heart toward my own soul. Remind me I am human. Remind me I don't have to carry everything alone. Remind me that you already know my weaknesses and you love me through them. Jesus, remove any spiritual heaviness that tries to sit on my chest. Remove any mental fog. Remove any emotional exhaustion. Remove any pressure that doesn't belong to me. Replace it with clarity. Replace it with peace. Replace it with strength. If negative energy has been affecting my sleep, Jesus, protect my rest. Cover my room, my dreams, my mind as I sleep. Let me release the day instead of carrying it into the night. Let me wake up with a calm heart and a clear spirit. If my spirit has felt disconnected from you, bring me back closer. Pull me out of distraction. Pull me out of numbness. Pull me out of emotional overload. Lead me back into awareness and presence. Jesus, if I've accidentally invited negativity through the media I consume, the conversations I entertain, or the people I keep giving access to, reveal that to me. Show me what I need to step away from. Show me what drains me. Show me what disturbs my peace. Show me what keeps my mind scattered. Jesus, protect my home. Let no negative energy live here. Let no intention, no vibe, no emotion that is not from you. You stay in this space. Fill every room with your peace. Fill the atmosphere with your presence. Let this be a place of rest, not restlessness. Jesus, protect my relationships. Remove tension, miscommunication, fear, or emotional distance. Clean out the negative energy that creates misunderstandings. Bring honesty, calm conversations, and understanding. Remove anyone who brings hidden envy or negativity into my life, even if they do it quietly. Jesus, protect my confidence. If negative energy has made me doubt myself, restore my self-belief. If negativity has made me shrink, help me rise again. If negativity has made me feel unworthy, remind me of who I am in you. Jesus, block any negative words spoken over me, whether intentionally or unintentionally. Don't let their energy settle in my mind. Don't let their doubts enter my spirit. Don't let their opinions shape my identity. Jesus, if negativity has reached my finances, my progress, or my motivation, break that cycle. Lift anything that is slowing me down, confusing me, or blocking my steps. Open new opportunities. Clear my path. Renew my energy to keep going. If I've been feeling helpless, Jesus, breathe strength into me. If I've been feeling stuck, move things for me. If I've been feeling behind, guide me forward. If I've been feeling spiritually empty, refill me. Jesus, remove every negative influence, remove every draining thought, remove every heavy feeling, remove every blockage, remove every spiritual clutter, remove every unseen weight I didn't realize I was carrying. Replace it with direction, replace it with clarity, replace it with calmness, replace it with a renewed mind, replace it with the strength to move forward again. Jesus, thank you for cleansing my spirit even in moments when I feel overwhelmed. Thank you for stepping into my situation quietly and powerfully. Thank you for being here with me, even when I don't feel it immediately. And Jesus, anything that was sent to distract me, drain me, discourage me, or confuse me, let it lose its power right now. Clear my mind, lift my heart, strengthen my spirit, guide my steps, protect my peace. Amen.